Hello guys, in this video we are going to be discussing the new bomb share dropped by Blum. So Blum, we as you all know, will be expecting their listing date, and they just dropped a new update. So this update contains a lot of critical things that is going to interest you, like the listing date, when is Blum is going to be listed, the TGE, and the new eligibility criteria. So I know you have a lot of reservations about like the Blum airdrop, because right now this is the third time that they are changing their eligibility criteria and they are changing their roadmap, right? So we all know they ought to have been listed like third quarter of 2024, but now they are bringing a new roadmap. So this and more we are going to be discussing in this video, and also what we can do as a community so that our efforts will not be wasted. I'll also be sharing those videos because the eligibility criteria that they brought is kind of ridiculous, and together as a team we are going to profit from this project. And also I understand your frustration, right? So from the comment section, a lot of people are frustrated with like these airdrops already, so that's why I have devised a new strategy for us to make money, which I'm going to be sharing in this video. So make sure you stick around because I want us to all win as a family. So if you stick around in this video, you are going to learn like the new method that I'm going to be introducing to us to make money. So without further ado, let's go into today's video. But if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? We love to help and grow together as a family. So hit the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will help your finance. So now that you've done that, let's go to the video of today. Open the official Telegram page for Blum. You get this notification. So it was posted just yesterday. So this is the new roadmap, and so the second quarter of 2025. So TGE, airdrop criteria, token utilities and tokenomics, AI agents on main paired and trading arena, so fiat on and off ramp integration, so mini custody wallet, then platform like trading terminal and token launcher, so multi-chain expansion, perpetual futures contracts and TME and web, then advanced trading terminal. So basically this is what they promised to do in 2025, so second quarter of 2025, so from now to April. So basically that's what they intend to do. Then the third quarter, that's when they are going to list. So you see they extended this thing, so okay, I will further talk about it. So now third quarter, they say they are going to Blum listing token project to our decentralized exchange and other products, then perpetual features and referral version 2, then MPC wallet, then Blum mobile application, then chain abstractions and more decentralized exchanges integration. So now listing is not going to be right now, not going to be first quarter, it's going to be third quarter. And I feel, why do you think Blum is doing this? I feel they are doing this right for people for them to come out with all those ridiculous eligibility criteria to stop money from people. Because right now, if I further click here and I show you the eligibility criteria, you are going to see now. So here, that is like more summarized version of what is here. But then when I look at here now, Blum airdrop, so mini criteria and our roadmap for second quarter and third quarter 2025 are here. Now you'll be eligible for Blum airdrop if you have a minimum of 100k blue points. Just 100k blue points. That's a lot. And you see, over 50% of people are not eligible. So even me that is making this video right now, let me click on the blue points that I have. Now then the second criteria is that 750 main points, or you've done your proof of activity with a minimum of 2 referrals. So you see, now they make this thing so hard, right, for people for people to get out, because getting 100k blue points, that is a lot. So that I will just want to make sure that a lot of people participate more and waste their time before they will get qualified. And the thing is that we don't even know the price that they are going to list. Then, and we all know that getting these Blum points right now, it takes a lot of money, because you have to start buying tons, like swapping main coins that they may probably rock. So let's open my blue point, because the truth is that I have not even had chance to even open this thing for a while now, right? I'm focused on trading. I've been trading for a very, very long time now, right? Making cool money. And that's like one of the things that I'll be sharing with us here, so that we can grow together, like making money from the forex market, since we have control of how much we make, as opposed to people playing with us, right? So, okay, that tells me to enhance security by linking our email. So you see, what these guys, they are criminals. Before now, they didn't want us to link anything. So they don't now, they want to get our email to start sending us newsletter. But anyway, we've come so far, so there's no point quitting now. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to link my email later. But here, if you tap here, so buy and send me parts, then snipe tokens, then launch your own mint coin. So here I'm going to clean this. So basically the interface still remain like same. So let me see the number of so you see main part, I have to have 750 main parts for me to be eligible, which is actually a lot. So for instance, for you to trade 500 main parts, so if you launch a token, you get 500 main parts. Now if your token moves to a decentralized exchange, you get 1000 main points. Then trade main parts, you get this. So trading with bots. Now if you want to trade with bots, you will lose $10 for each one, right? Now if you put this $10 on, maybe you trade a forex market, you can grow it to $20 or $50 with proper risk management, right? In 7 days are supposed to do this. But anyway, let's click on got it. So here, let me check. So I referred 10 persons, then total points, and let me see like my number of. So I have, so the first blue points, I have 142 blue points. So that makes me qualified using the second criteria. Then I've done my proof of activity already. So the two criteria, I have it. But then the third criteria, I did not meet it. I don't even have up to one, main points. So I have to have the third main point. So now for you to be qualified, is either you meet these two criteria, because it's not that you meet all, they say this or. Let's go back. So like criteria 1, you have a minimum of 100k blue point, which we met that already. They have minimum of 750 bloom points or proof of activity completed. So we've done this one, right? So is or did not say and. So that means we are going to be eligible, right? So we've done proof of activity that they took about 4 tons from us, and so the minimum of 2 referrals. So I have 10 referrals. So if you don't have any referral, I think what we can do as a community to help us grow is that to check your referral, you just go to this. You just drop your link right in the description section, so that other people can follow you, right? So that we all grow together, so that we'll all be eligible. Because it doesn't just make sense that we spend like months, like years farming this stuff, and they just want to disqualify people. I feel it's totally wrong. So you go to your friends, that's where you see the number of people that you referred, right? So yeah, so this is your rating at number 6,796,590. So So that's that. So basically that's like the update from Bloom. You can see, okay, here comes our blue roadmap for second to third quarter. So in it, we've got the new features you can expect in Bloom products. Now, AI powered tools, seamless fiat on ramp integration, multi-chain expansion, and more. Check them on this pic. Then pro tip, snapshot hasn't been taken yet, so there's still time to level up your account. Little extra attention to Blum Points may be helpful. Now check the details. So you see that they are telling you that you should get, you should pay more attention to Blum Points. Now, this is actually an avenue, right, to make money off people, to take people's money, because the only way you get Blum Points is actually spending actual dollar. So what's the point? Because from buying this, so this is where it becomes very, very dicey, and that's why I'm not subscribing. I'm not telling people that all my family members, to subscribe, right? Because I actually love you guys to, buy these Bloom points. Now, if you click on main points, right? Now, for you to earn main points, see, if you spend to trade a main part, for each $10 trading, right? Now you get 50 main part. So just imagine you spend $30. So this $10 already. Then this one $10. If you reach $10 trading volume, that's $20 plus those activities. Just imagine you spent over $30 doing this task, and they now list, and the total money that they give you is less than $30. You are going to be very, very annoyed. So that's why I do not, recommend us to start um, wasting money, wasting our tons on 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 main points, right? So you can do and follow, like try to meet the other two criteria, and leave this one out. And there are a lot of other interesting airdrops that, especially test nets, that does not require any of these things from you. Like you make whole lot of money as compared to Bloom. So that's it for me, guys. Love you guys, and stay positive and stay expectant about our new trading videos that is dropping out tomorrow. So like tomorrow is basically going to be an introduction, and yes, I'm very, 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 very excited that we're all going to make money. I love you guys. Stay hopeful. Cheers.